It's often been said that necessity is the mother of invention. Maybe that means that desperation is the father of the backhand pickleball serve. If you want to learn more about it, stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Here you're going to find all things pickleball, from fitness tips designed especially for people who are over 40, to paddle and gear reviews, to quality instruction. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button over here on the left hand side and then the bell notification. That way you'll know every time I post a new video. I just wanted to give a shout out to Thelma and her husband Eric. They're part of the Better Pickleball community, and while they were vacationing in Tahoe, stopped by the courts and I happened to be shooting this video. It was great to meet you both. This would not be a good backhand serve video if I didn't show you one of the best players in the world, Scott Moore, and how he does a backhand serve. Now that you know what a backhand serve looks like, let's look at the rules and specifically how they apply to a backhand serve. Now, I don't normally teach a backhand serve, but there are definitely instances where I will, and where you may need to have one. So a couple of things. I have several serve videos on this channel. If you haven't already taken a look at those, take a look at those first, and let's see if we can correct that problem on your forehand side. But perhaps it's gotten so bad that you've totally lost confidence. Maybe you even have a case of the yips. That's very familiar from my old sport of golf, and it's a very real thing. Or perhaps you have a shoulder injury that just prevents you from serving from your forehand side. That's when you need to develop the backhand serve, and here are some of the keys that'll help you to do just that. Even if you don't have the yips or a shoulder injury, it might be fun to work on a backhand serve. After all, you can add it to your repertoire and give your opponents just one more look, which might give you an advantage out on the pickleball court. Tell me about your backhand serve down in the comments below. Do you use it regularly, or is it something that you have not yet tried? If you got value from this video, if you want mine, you know the deal. Give it a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.